Hello viewers, this is Shadita, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a single filter button for all my filters within the dashboard. So here is a dashboard which shows the sales value for my different product categories and customer segments. It is color coded by regions. I have a bunch of filters: order date, region, customer segment, product category. So let's start applying the filters. So if you see, as and when I apply the filters, the data gets refreshed instantaneously. Sometimes this is not what the users want. Now in this case, I am dealing with a very small data set, but in real life scenarios, users deal with millions and billions of records. So once we select a particular filter, if the dashboard starts getting refreshed, it takes a good amount of time for the data to be back. Now when a user needs multiple filters to be applied, every time they apply a filter, they have to wait that much amount of time for the data to be returned. This leads to frustration. What they want is to apply all their filters and then have the data refreshed. So let's jump to another dashboard to show you what I mean. In this dashboard, it's the same dashboard, but here if I start applying the filters, you may see nothing happens as of now. But if I click on this apply button here, bingo, the data refreshed. Let's try another time. Nothing happens. When I click on the apply button, the data refreshes. So let's see how to do this. On a new sheet here, let me first drag all my filters. Let me drag the order date, select range of dates, apply, OK. Select my product category, all, apply, OK. Same for the customer segment. And the region. Let me show all the filters. Next, let me create a calculated field for my button. I'll name it apply button. Just write apply. Now, our objective here is to turn this sheet into an apply filter button. So I'll drag the apply button calculation to my rows. I'll also drag the row ID field to my detail. Now, in my data set, the row ID field is the most granular data which I have. I could have chosen the order ID as well, but as you can see, it is not granular. So every order ID can have multiple product categories. Like you see, this order ID has multiple product categories in it. So I have chosen the row ID in this case. Once I drag the row ID, definitely I have multiple marks, but I don't want this multiple marks, so I'll change it into a polygon. Just remove the labels, and I don't want the title either. I'll just rename this sheet as apply, and I guess I'm done with this sheet. I'll go to a new sheet, rename it to my viz, and I'll create the actual viz here. So I'll drag the product category column to the rows, the customer segment, the row as well, and the sum of cells to the columns. Labels as well. I'll drag the region to the colors. Do not like this color, so I'll edit the colors and make it, choose this one, assign the palette and apply OK. I guess we're good. Now one thing which we need to do is to create a set on my row ID, which is my unique identifier column. So let me create a set on my row ID. I can just apply all and it's fine. Let me rename it to apply set. Now I will create a set action on this apply set which I've created. I'll drag this set to my filters in the viz. So I guess we're good here. I'll create a new dashboard. I'll drag the viz. I'll also drag the apply sheet. Turn this into floating. Put it here. Small. Don't want the title to show up. Make it into an entire view. So I guess I have my apply button created. Make it a little more smaller. But I guess you get the point. Now let me also make it an entire view. Now let me create the set action. So I'll go to dashboard, actions, add action, change set values. Just select only the apply sheet because that's the sheet I want to set the select action on. Data source is good. Set, just choose apply set. Running the action will assign values to set, that's what I want. Clearing the selection will, I wanted to keep the set value, so I'll choose that. Okay. Now my set is set. So I'll change the filters here. So filters, click on the apply button and bingo. You see the changes. We do some more. And bingo, you see the changes. So I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.